Vinchin backup and recovery server will archive full restore points to the cloud storages. Even if you select to archive a differential or incremental backup points, it will merge with the last full restore point to form a new full restore point, and then to archive to the cloud storage. Archive backups to cloud can help users to achieve remote disaster recovery without building a new data center in another location. As the pricing of cloud storage is quite cheap now, and nowadays the uplink and the downlink is pretty fast. It's a great choice for users to archive their backup data to cloud storages for disaster recovery. And by the way, users don't have to worry about the data safety, as Vinchin backup server will do encryption and compression of the data while archiving to cloud.
And here is our test environment. And here is the backup archive feature. Before creating the archive jobs, as same as the backup copy jobs, I need to go to the storage to add my cloud storage to Vinchin. And here, then type the access key ID, your secret access key, and the bucket name. And also you can create a new folder here, which is used to store the archive data. So after confirm, you can add your cloud storage to Vinchin. And here, I already added my cloud storage to Vinchin here. You can see the cloud storage mini-do. And here is my cloud storage environment. And here, now there is no any data. So next, I will show you our backup copy feature. First, create an archive data, archive job. In the first job, find the target virtual machine under the restore point, and then click next. Set the archive strategies. Archive as scheduled or archive at once. And then click next to choose our archive destination, on-site storage or cloud storage. Here I will choose mine, mainly do cloud storage, and then go to the transformation network, data encryption, compress the transfer, and the retention policy is simple. Click next. Here I can rename this job and confirm the configurations, then submit. Now this archive job is created successfully. I can start this job right now. Then go to the job details page to view the progress of this backup job. And here is the run log, and here is the VM list. All the VMs in this job will be showing here. And here is the history job page. And in the top right, the basic info of this archive job, and the storage and the strategies are all showing here. Please note our archive mechanism is different from our backup copy feature. The restore point, which is archived to cloud, is always a full restore point. For example, my backup strategy is that performing full backup every Sunday and performing incremental backup from Monday to Saturday. If I set the start time for archive job as Thursday, then at that time, the restore point that will be archived to cloud is a merged point from Sunday to Wednesday. So that's our archive mechanism. Now it's a progress. It's in the process of, we can see the progress here. And its transfer size, return size, speed. And now the restore point, I can click this button to check these details. After this archive job done, it will be showing in the history job page. Here is the run log of this archive job. It's a great place to check the error if there is anything happens to this job. I can check with each step, which step is error. Okay, now this job is success. I can go to my cloud storage and refresh this page. Okay, now this restore point is already here. And refresh. Okay, now data is here. If I want to use the archived data, I can use our archive restore feature to transfer them back to the local storage, local backup storage, and then restore them to the production environment to use them. Let's quickly go through the archive restore process. First, choose the target virtual machine and click next. Set the restore destination for the archived data, and then click next. Set the transformation network. Data encryption, compress the transfer. Click next. Then rename this archive restore job and confirm the configurations. Submit. Now this job is already running, and I can see the run log and the VM list and the basic info, job name, job type, job status, and the duration, processed, and also the storage, and the strategies I just configured. Data encryption is enabled, and the compressed transfer is also enabled. Okay, now this archive restore job is completed successfully. We can go to the archive data to check. Okay, the archive restore job, the restore point is already here. Okay, that's all for today's demonstration.